Are you planning to set up a security system for your home or business, but feeling confused by all the options? You're not alone. The biggest debate in the security world is IP cameras versus analog cameras. Which one is better? And more importantly, which one is right for your specific needs? In this video, we're going to break down the key differences, the pros and cons, and help you make the right choice. First, let's talk about how they work. Analog cameras, or CCTV, transmit video signals over coaxial cables to a DVR. It's a traditional system, simple, reliable, and very affordable. On the other side, we have IP cameras, which stand for Internet Protocol cameras. These use your network to transmit data. They connect via Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi to an NVR or a cloud server. Because they are digital, they offer much higher resolution and advanced smart features. So, when should you pick which? Go for analog if you're on a tight budget, need a simple system, and don't require high-level zooming or facial recognition. Choose IP cameras if you need high-definition video, remote access on your phone from anywhere in the world, and advanced features like motion tracking or line crossing detection. In summary, IP cameras are the future, but analog still has a place for basic needs. Which one would you prefer for your setup? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into security and networking tech. See you in the next one.